As a new faceless YouTuber and AI enthusiast, I've been on a quest to find the ultimate video editor. One that's beginner-friendly, yet packed with cool AI features to streamline the creative process. And guess what? I think I stumbled upon it in Descript. And today, I'm beyond excited to share with you its incredible AI features. Let's go. Descript is a tool I'm using to edit the video you are watching right now, and what I have been using for all my YouTube videos for the past few months. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down in the description below. But without further ado, we've got a countdown of 8 mind-blowing AI capabilities to explore. So let's dive right in. Number 8. Descript effortlessly removes those pesky filler words from your recordings, saving you time from the ums and likes that often plague beginners just like me. With just one click, they vanish like magic. I definitely did not get through this entire script without a few ums or awkward pauses. But you can never tell, could you? I just edited them out with one click. Number 7. If you ever find yourself hesitating between words, Descript swoops in to shorten those gaps, automatically cutting out the awkward pauses. No more tedious manual editing. Yay. Number 6. Here's something really impressive. Descript's new text-to-image generator lets you create custom visuals right within the editor. No more struggling to find the perfect stock image. You can craft your own unique graphics. So I'll show you an example here. Let's say you want a picture of a panda flying a kite. You can make it right here without going to another AI website. How cool is that? Number 5. And speaking of perfection, if your voiceover recordings have room for improvement, Descript's AI Studio sound feature comes to the rescue, refining your audio like a pro. I'll show you what it sounds like with studio sound
and then without.
Can you tell the difference? I recorded this video with just my iPhone mic, and I think it's pretty good actually. I'm planning to get a real recording mic soon to use for my videos, but the option to do this without was awesome while I was just testing out making voiceovers for my Faceless YouTube videos, but wasn't sure if I was going to continue long enough to invest in an expensive quality mic. All right, number 4. Descript automatically transcribes your screen recordings and everything else you add, presenting your edit in a sleek Google Docs style layout. Editing made simple. Like if you can edit a Word document, you can edit a video. So you can literally edit your audio without having to listen to it. That speeds up the process immensely. Okay, number 3. Ever wished you could fix a slip of the tongue without re-recording the whole thing? With Descript's voice cloning feature, you can seamlessly overdub any mistakes and make them disappear. So I clone my voice, and sometimes I use it if I mess up a few words here or there. So I'll show an example. So let's say I messed up here a bit. So here's my clone saying the same thing. So let's say I messed up here a bit. Here's my clone saying the same thing. And boom, now it's fixed. Easy peasy. Number 2, Descript helps make your videos more engaging with its captions features. You can easily add auto captions, saving time and effort. Choose from a variety of options. It automatically lines them up with your video and audio. Literally just a click or two, and you have captions for your entire video. Number 1. Now here's the cherry on top. The brand new AI eye. When you record your screen and yourself, but struggle to keep an eye on the camera, Descript's AI eye automatically fixes that for you. A little creepy, yet incredibly cool. So there you have it, the 8 coolest AI features that make Descript the ultimate video editor for any content creator. Definitely check out the link in the description below to test it out for yourself. I think it's really awesome, and I hope you found these AI features as exciting as I did. If you did, say hi and let me know you subscribed. I'll respond to all the comments this week. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, take care and happy editing.